Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sushwa Saital. I hope you all are doing fine. Let's solve today's problem for GFG. The problem name is intersection point in Y-shaped linked list. Okay. The problem is asked in Flipkart, Amazon, Microsoft, Snapdeal, Make My Trip, and Adobe and Goldman Sachs. So it's a very quite popular problem. Let's see. Okay, it comes under medium. So the problem is saying given two single linked list of size n and m, write a program to get the point where two linked lists intersect each other. Okay, so what we have to do, so we have to find a intersection point. We have to find a intersection point. In this case, both the linked list is meeting at 15. Okay, let's see what is this problem here. So we have a linked list 1 here and here linked list 2. Okay, so here 3 is there, 6 is there, 9 is there, then 15 comes, then 30 comes, and here linked list 2 will have 10, 15 and 30. So we can say here the common point for this case is 15. I hope now you got it, how we are getting 15. So why it is called Y-shaped linked list? See here, why it is called Y-shaped linked list. So here the if we take here, this is one linked list and this is another linked list. So we can say it is forming a Y-shaped. So it is forming a Y-shaped link list. So it is forming a Y-shaped linked list. So that's the reason we say it Y-shaped linked list. Okay. So now what we have to find? We have to find an intersection point. Okay. So now first what we will do? First for this approach, what we'll do? We will find the height of both the, we will find the length of both the linked list. Okay. So how we will find here? So first what we'll do, we will have an empty variable which I will assign as n as 0. Empty means equal to 0, and m will be equal to 0, both equal to 0. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to iterate to the array to find the length. Let's assume we have to find the length of linked list 1. So I have to find n here, I have to find n. So what I will do, if the head is here, so if head is here, so this is, I will count as 1 and I will do next. What I will do, I will do next. Now next what will be here, in linked list there is a formula called next. In next what it will do, it will go to the next link or next node. Okay, if you put link any, in this case head dot next, it will go to the next node, which is here 6. I hope next is clear here. So now what you will do, in 3 if you put next, it will go to the 6, and here also 6 will be equal to 9, and 9 is will go to the 9 15, and 15 will go to the 30. So what is the length here? 1 2 3 4 5. So we can say the length is equal to 5. But you will ask, when will we stop? So when the next node, if the next node is equal to null, that time we can say we have to stop this linked list. So this is an end point. So we have to iterate to the array. How to do iterate to the linked list node? How we will do? We will use next method. Okay. So now I don't want to temper head 1 and head 2. Because of that reason, I will create a new node. Okay. I will create a new node. I will name it as head 1. I will assign it as head 1, and I will create another node head 2, and I will assign it as head 2. Okay, what we did, I simply created a duplicate or a temporary head 1 and head 2. Why I am doing it? Because I have to iterate to the node to find the height or length of the linked list. Okay, so for that reason, so what is the best condition we have to use? Which loop we have to use? While loop or for loop? So what we have to find? We have to iterate to the array till we find null. So for that case, we will use while loop. While head1 is not equal to null. So you have to give it's not equal to null. Till then we have to keep on going down. So we will do n plus plus, okay, and to go down, what we have to do? We have to do nest. So what I will do, h1 is equal to h1 dot nest, okay. So from this, what I will do, I will find the height of the linked list 1, okay. We have found the height of linked list 1. Now what we have to do, we have to find the same thing we have to do for m. So we have to find till this will reach to the null. So what we will do, while h2 is not equal to null, till then run this while loop. So m will be minus minus and h2 will be equal to h2 dot nest. I hope I'm clear here. So what I'm sorry, it is not minus minus plus plus. So what I'm doing, I'm simply finding the height of the linked list. So you will say, why we are doing this? Why we have to find the height? So it's a good question here. Why we are finding the height here? So what is the reason here? So if the height is here, so height, what is the height here? Height was here 5, and what is the height here? Height m is equal to 3. So what I will do here? So in this case, n is more than m. So what I will do, I will take this head and I will decrease this to 2. So I will tell you again what I am doing here. So first I will see which one has a higher length. So in this case, n has a higher length. So how many times it is higher than m? So to find out, we will do 5 minus 3 2 times. So for that, what I will do, I will say head 1, in this case head 1 is that head 1 just go 2 times nest. So in this case, now it will be here at 9. It will be at 9, okay. So now what will be the length of this? So if I remove this guy and this guy, so what will be the length of this? So if I use nest, the new linked list will look like 9, 10, 15, 30, okay. Now what is the length of this linked list? Now the linked list will have a same length. The linked list will have a same length. So if the linked list has the same length, it will have a same length of intersection. So if I go nest and it will go nest, it will have a same time of intersection. Okay, I'm clear here. So I will tell you when I am coding here. So what I will do first, I will see if n is more than m. So in this case, n is more here. So length of the linked list 1 is more here. So what I will do here, I will say while n is not equal to m, till then what do you do? N minus minus and head 1. So head 1 will be equal to head 1 dot nest, okay. So what I am doing here, I will tell you. Here is n and here is m. So till n is equal to m, the head is pointing here right now. So I will do nest. Now n is equal to how much? I will decrease n by 1. So now n will be equal to 4 and here m is equal to 3. Still not equal. Now head is pointing here. So what I will do, I will use another head dot nest and I will decrease the value at 4 by 1. So now here we can say n is equal to m and here I will stop. I hope I am clear. Okay. So we did for one case. If that's a not case, if m is more than n, so what I have to do? We have to say while n is not equal to m till then. What here in this case m is more, so I have to do m minus minus. Okay, and head 2 will be equal to head 2 dot next. Okay, so now what we did here, now what we achieved here, we just achieved we achieved a same length of linked list. So what we achieved here, we achieved the same length of linked list. So here 9, 10, 15 and 30. So now what we have to do, we have to simply do nest till we find a point where both one will be equal. Okay, now what we have to do, while head 1 is not equal to head 2, till then you just do one thing, increase the value, do nest till we find if still they find till we find they are equal. Okay, we are just doing nest. Okay, after that when they reach when they will, when head 1 and head 2 are pointing at the same direction, this is head 1 and this is head 2, so that time I will just return the value. So I will just do return head 1, and here the value is equal to now data, so I will do data. And what is data here? Data is 15. Let's compile this, and we are getting 15. Yeah, we wanted 15, we are getting 15. Let's compile and see, do we have any error or not? No, we don't have any error. Let's submit and see. Yeah, it's getting submitted, so no time error. Okay, I hope I'm clear with this solution. If you have any doubt regarding this solution, please do comment. I will surely help you. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and give a thumbs up. And also keep coding. Chalo, bye.